How to install the obstacle avoidance function. Insert the cable of the obstacle avoidance device into the socket inside the drone, ensuring that the hole position corresponds to the needle inside the socket. Insert the obstacle avoidance device into the installation port of the drone's obstacle avoidance device. Note that the top obstacle avoidance camera is located at the end of the drone. The installation is complete, and the effect is displayed. Short press the obstacle avoidance key to turn on the obstacle avoidance function. The remote controller emits a beep sound, and at this time, the lights of the drone will start flashing slowly. Obstacle avoidance range: front, back, left, and right within 30 to 50 centimeters. Up within 30 to 50 centimeters, when the obstacle avoider senses an obstacle, the drone lights will flash quickly, and the remote control will emit a diddy prompt sound. Short press the switch key of the obstacle avoider again, the remote controller makes a beep sound. When the drone lights stay on, it will exit the obstacle avoidance mode. To remove the obstacle avoidance device, press and hold the left and right sides of the obstacle avoider firmly to pull it out.